Hi, my name is Anita Derby.
And my name is Wanda Wolf.
And we are co-founders of From the Earth Naturally.
And we are hot.
That's hot flash, menopausal hot. And you know, right now there's 47 million of us in North America alone, and another 45 million new global entrants into menopause every single year.
That means by 2030, we are going to make up for 10% of the world's population. 10%!
That's a lot of hot women. And as menopausal women ourselves with over 30 years experience in the herbal industry, our expectations for quality and safety in products is extremely high.
So what we decided is that we were going to create a natural health product ourselves.
We are determined to make it natural.
And we're determined to make it right. In this short documentary, we want to share with you our journey in creating VIVACA.
We believe that this journey will inspire you to either try VIVACA yourselves or recommend it as a safe alternative for women going through menopause.
Enjoy our journey.
It just so happens that we're both menopausal age, going through menopause in different stages. Looked around for some different products that were out there, found nothing that would work for myself.
And we really realized that when we started looking at things a little bit more closely, that a lot of it had to do with the way it was manufactured and built. So being that we have the 30 years experience between the two of us and some manufacturing experience as well,
We felt, how hard can it be? We would
can
make
do
it
better.
We could do better, and we would make something ourselves.
and we wanted to do better, not just for us, but for all women, because we felt it was really important that all women have a better choice. The product had to be different. We wanted to have a product that was going to deliver the bioactive ingredients in the most effective way, and that was through liquid concentration.
Translated, we needed something that worked. Really, we needed something that actually worked, minimized some of those symptoms we were feeling, and made us be able to have a life without embarrassment or concern or worry or stress. VIVACA is a formulation of 4 different botanicals: red clover, St. John's wort, black cohosh, and rhodiola rosea. Each different herb has a specific goal and purpose within our product. There's many different clinical trials and historical data that verify that each one of these different herbs has an effect on the menopausal symptoms.
My name is Dr. Chi Hung La. I'm a naturopathic doctor.
I absolutely love the combination. It's unique in its way where it's not just addressing the symptoms, but it also addresses the neuroendocrine support of the changes of the body. So that way, once women start taking it, they can be sure that they're going to be improving not just the symptoms, but also their own well-being. These 4 botanicals have a lot of scientific and empirical data of its benefits. While the 2 botanical herbs in there that is to address with the physical changes of menopause are black cohosh and red clover. And so with those 2, we're hoping to decrease such symptoms as night sweats and hot flashes. And then there's the other 2 herbs, the rhodiola and the St. John's worts. They're there to help combat with the psychological mood changes and also the energy or the fatigue. It's been formulated in a liquid form, so that way it's become more bioavailable for the body rather than some of the other supplements out there that are in tablets or capsule forms.
Building the product required us to actually build the ingredients. The first challenge was Do we buy the ingredients or do we make it? And it was an absolute given for us that we were going to make it.
You know, there's a lot of people that are coming saying, you know what, just get your extracts, get some dried powdered extracts and make, you're not an extract making company, you've got a product for women in menopause, that's what you are. And so we've investigated that, and it's just like, it's totally against everything we believe.
This is Lori Tansey Willis. I work closely with Wanda and Anita. My contribution is in the science side. My degree is in biochemistry. I've always had a great respect for what Mother Nature provides. I don't think that man can make anything better than Mother Nature. We were not able to find anyone that met our standards. Just for quality, the GMPs, just making sure if we're going to put our name on it that it's something that one works, two is safe, and I guess three we can stand behind and be proud of and have confidence in.
Okay, my name's Duff Soley. I run a small company called VIVACA that ensures that people have authentic and clean and high quality herbal products. We can check to see if the materials are grown organically because we look for pesticides and the absence of pesticides, absence of heavy metals, and we also look for changes in processing. Most companies that are producing herbal products purchase from various sources, Southeast Asia, Africa, Europe. They rely almost exclusively on the C of A's from the manufacturer. I don't think this is entirely valid because I have encountered a number of materials that are not either what they say they are or have varying quantities of active ingredients. And in fact, I've encountered outright frauds. People should use independent laboratories that make sure that the materials that they are using are authentic, high quality, and clean. From the Earth Naturally is spending a lot of time and money in order to make sure that their products, again, are authentic and consistent. What we try to do is make sure that the important compounds are there and that they're there in a consistent amount from product to production date to production date. And that should make a consistent and pharmacologically valid material.
It's not just about the level of bioactives, but it's about the full spectrum of that plant being captured in the extracting process. And without that, we don't believe that the quality is there. And so every time we go that route, we're actually taken right back to where we were, is that the heart and soul of our whole mission is about knowing exactly where that plant came from, how it was grown, how it was harvested, and that there becomes the essence of our qualities, that if it is not there at the beginning, it's certainly not going to pick it up later. We
purchase our herbals from growers in North America. We've been there, we've seen them, we know the people. The extraction process has been a long and difficult road for us. We believe now we have developed the right extract process. All the analyticals tell us we have.
We gained a lot of respect from our peers and the professionals in how involved we became from every part and component. It has been expensive, but it's been well worth it.
My name is Randy Schroeder, and I am president of Generations Packaging and Distribution. For a company like From the Earth Naturally, it's very admirable that they have taken the time and substantial cost to follow all of the regulations from both the Health Canada standpoint of view and the Food and Drug Administration standpoint of view in the US in order to give their consumer the absolute best quality product. So they're not taking any shortcuts, and which is often the temptation in this new regulatory environment. From the Earth Naturally is not doing that, and that is a tremendous aspect, and it's a positive aspect to their company.
It's all been fully analyzed with analytical test methods that were developed through gas chromatographs by our professors. We use professors at the universities and develop test methods to go along with our extraction process. All the test methods have gone through the rigorous scientific requirements to become certified and validated, and our final mixing again is fully tested.
We know our product inside and out, every little speck of this product. We have to. We started from the field with growers, to the cutting and drying that Wanda does, to the making the extract, to the concentrating, to the packaging. So from field to shelf, we had to do this because we needed to have that quality control in place. To get where we are today took not only 4.5 years of work, but it also took a lot of people and support and encouragement. We still have a bit of a journey ahead of us, and we are not of the illusion that it's going to be easy, but we're confident that we have a strong foundation, a solid foundation, and that's going to carry us through the next round.
VIVACA, being part of an all-woman team, we're trying to find the answer for ourselves. We believe we have something that is unique and very effective.
It is the true passion of our heart to take this from we call it from the dirt, because that's where we started.
Next to dirt.
Next to dirt, and take it over the top.
We'd like to put a really good positive face and name to natural health products by having one that's available that really works well. Because we're an all women's owned company, building a product for women, we hope that we inspire other women to step forward and follow their dreams and their passion as we did ours.